Well, hey there. I bet you this is a video that many of you never saw coming. Don't worry, the puns are free here. And so is all this information about the top 4 best scroll saws of 2021. Let's go. In 4th place, we have the Shepik Scrollfoot Switch. Now, here's a scroll saw that's just perfect for making cuts and contours on wood to the nearest millimeter. Its thin saw blade is maneuverable on the wood piece with great precision. You'll be able to make the most perfect round and thick cuts anytime. It's a very easy machine to control. You can do that either by releasing or pressing a button. With its extra long cord, you can set it up just about anywhere, but in addition, this tool also has a maximum tilt of 45 degrees. So you can make your cuts on wood, plastic, plexiglass, plaster, and metal, but you can also work on individual angles as well. The blank holder ensures both simple and safe guiding of the wood piece if you adopt a position at the angle. You also benefit from great visibility on the work surface thanks to the machine's LED lighting. But the LED only works with batteries, so get some. Just like with all of our videos, if you want to get more technical specifications and the best prices that we have found for you across the web, then please head down to the description of this video and click on the links. Now in 3rd place, Shepik makes a return with its variable speed scroll saw, model SD1600V. This appears amongst the best scroll saws when it comes to making precise cuts and even finer contours. It's so easy to use that beginners can use it just as well as professionals. But people keep coming back to this because it's a fast machine. In fact, it can go up to 1700 revolutions per minute. Very few other scroll saws can go faster. This has a rotary regulator located in an easily accessible place, so you'll be able to modify the number of strokes between 500 and 1700 RPMs if you don't want to go that fast. We also want to point out that this has a flexible blowing nozzle, and that's simply so you can keep the area clear by immediately eliminating chips and dust from the workspace. But this thing's a little bit heavy at 14 kilos, but despite its heavy weight, that should not detract from its amazing performance. Now in 2nd place, we have the Dremel Scroll Saw by Motosaw. Many users have commented that they just love this saw, and that's because it has the advantage of being a 2-in-1 saw. In this case, it offers 2 different grips. First off, it has a socket outlet like a miter saw, which allows for precise and rapid work, but on the other hand, it's possible to remove the saw from its base and have it in your hand like you would a circular saw. And this comes in handy when you're working on pieces that are just too darn large, or if you're working directly on furniture. So they've made it quite light and easy to handle. In addition, the Dremel Motosaw has a diverse range of blades. This allows you to work on not just wood, but also plastic and other materials as well. You can easily store it inside of a workshop or a garage because it's so easy to handle. But a little bit of a small downside here is that it's a bit more expensive than other models on the market. But you do get what you pay for, am I right? And of course, if you want to get all the best discounts that we have found for you across the internet, then please head down to the description of this video and click on the links. Now our winner in 1st place, we have the Einhell TC SS405E. Solid and stable, the Einhell wins. And because it's so solid and so stable, you can make curvilinear cuts with great ease. And that's because this saw comes with a practical fixing system, which means you can screw it directly to your workbench. And with its presser, you'll be able to better maintain all of the parts you need to be machined on the work surface. This machine is also equipped with a powerful 120-watt motor. With such power, it drives the blade at a speed of 1600 strokes per minute. Yeah, that's probably sufficient for your cutting work on semi-hard and soft materials. It also has an incorporated blowing device which allows you to have a clean working area at all times. And thanks to a connection for suction, you can connect this to a cordless vacuum cleaner. Now you'll really have a clean workspace. But one thing we do need to tell you about is that the speed control of this machine cannot be done by a foot pedal. And that's it. Head down to that description now and click on the links to get the most complete specifications and the best prices which we have found for you across the internet. Of course, if you find a better price, then please leave us a comment down below. And after watching this video, if some of these devices made the cut with you, then please give us a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video though, give us 2 thumbs down and you can be on your way. But for the rest of you, please hit subscribe and become a top techer today. And then say hi. We love it when you say hi. So until next time, this has been Top Tech. We'll see you around.